Good morning everyone, it's me Ali again and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast video of the precious metal gold and the Euro US dollar. Guys, the macroeconomic indicators is a bit light and we do not have any major or high impacted economic event which may drive a massive price action in any of these currency pairs. Although tomorrow we have a retail sales figure from the United States, but we will talk about it tomorrow, and this may not drive any major movement right now or today. Therefore, we have to rely on the technical side of the market. Looking at the daily time, the hourly time frame of the precious metal gold, guys, we can see that the market has formed a symmetric triangle pattern. Symmetric triangle pattern is, it is testing around 1722 level, and the second point is testing around 1728 level, while on the higher side the market was forming a downward trend line which is connecting 1744 and 1743 level. One thing. Second thing about gold is that the market is forming downward movement. As we can see here, the market was facing an immediate resistance around 1734 level. This resistance is extended by tweezer stop pattern, which we can see like one candle is followed by another, and both are sort of same, having a exactly same body. And the very next candle after the tweezer stop pattern is bearish, a strong bearish candle, which is, if I speak about in the candlesticks term, this is bearish engulfing candle, because this is engulfing the previous two candles, which is suggesting that the sellers are dominating in the market. Third factor that is suggesting a bearish bias in the precious metal gold is that the bearish engulfing is also crossing the 50 periods exponential moving average on the lower side. And if the very next hourly candle manages to close below this particular area or below this 50 periods exponential moving average, this is going to suggest us a selling trend at least until 1723 level. And if this particular level gets violated, the very next selling movement is going to be from 1733 level to 1709 level. However, if gold manages to stay above 1733 level, we may see a bullish correction until 1734 level. So this is what we can expect right now from gold. Anyways, on the higher side, let's suppose if market manages to break above 1734 level, the next resistance is going to be once again 1745 level. But right now, once again, if you take a look at the MACD and the RSI, both are suggesting a selling bias. The value of MACD is holding below 0. The histograms are getting bigger and bigger on the selling side, while the RSI value is also holding below 50 level, which is also suggesting a selling bias in the precious metal gold. So let's look for selling opportunities in the precious metal gold today. While if we discuss about the Euro US dollar, let me zoom out on the Euro US dollar, and guys, it is also trading exactly in line with our forecast, because if you guys can recall, there was a breakout on the symmetric triangle, on the ascending triangle pattern. So therefore the ascending triangle pattern has caused a dip in the market, then market tested the support level, and then market again bounced off to test the 50 periods exponential moving average around 1.1323 level. Right now, the market is again forming a lower low pattern, and the market has tested a support level of 1.1 to 19 level, and now this is likely to bounce off. The bounce off level is going to lead the Euro USD prices until 50 periods exponential moving average, which is holding somewhere around 1.1275 level. Guys, mark this level because this is going to be one of the very crucial level today. Below this level, we can again expect market to show us a sell-off today. Okay, so overall, the most of the technical side of the market is suggesting a selling. Like for example, 50 periods exponential moving average is suggesting a selling bias. The RSI value is suggesting a selling bias. However, the MACD is suggesting a bullish crossover, which is suggesting that we may see a bullish trend in the market. But again, if I have to form a this descending triangle pattern, this is also suggesting a selling bias in the market. So we should look for, my opinion is that we should look for a selling opportunity in the market. And the selling opportunities can be, I think, availed below 1.1276 level. So that's all for now. And guys, yeah, if you need to enter a sell position, look for 1.1276. While on the lower side, the immediate support is going to be around 1.1219. However, the violation of this level can extend selling bias until 1.1150 level or 60 level. So guys, that's pretty much it for now, and I hope you enjoyed this session. Let me know with the help of your feedback in the in the comment section below. So see you guys again with the next update tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself and trade with care. Have a profitable session today. Bye bye everyone.